semiconductor manufacturing chips has been rising every year due to several factors. In light of this, President Donald Trump recently announced plans to impose sector-specific tariffs on chips, especially targeting Taiwan-made chips. Trump has proposed tariffs ranging from 25 to 100% on chips produced in Taiwan, which could have major consequences for various industries, including the Taiwanese giant TSMC. A report from Commercial Times suggests that TSMC may respond to these tariffs by raising its chip production prices. They may raise their prices by up to 15% as per industry sources, saying that they have to offset the tariffs which is imposed by Donald Trump. The prices increased by TSMC will have a ripple effect across the consumer electronic devices. Devices that rely on this would see substantial price increases. As a result, end consumers may face higher prices for electronics as manufacturers are expected to pass on the increased production costs to the customers.